see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Okay. Dito kami, Tixie. Thank you. Guys. Say hi, Baba. Hi! Ayan, dito kami sa parking lot ng school ng mga bata. Kasi susurpresahin ko si Sak. Punta tayo sa school ni Sak. Hindi ko alam kung isasama ko kayo. Baka gamitin ko na lang yung phone. But yeah, dito ako sa parking lot kasi nga birthday ni Sak today, diba? So, isusurprise ko si Sak na pupunta ako sa school niya. And then, nag-order din kasi ako ng cake pop. Kasi yung teacher niya gumagawa ng cake pops. Dati gumagawa ako nun.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the peace.
Pero ngayon wala na akong time. Yes? Yeah, wala na akong time. At saka kararating lang namin kagabi galing Adelaide. Pero sinelebrate na rin namin yung birthday ni Sak sa Adelaide. And today, gagawa lang ako ng spaghetti, tapos may crispy pata. So, yun na yung dinner namin, di ba? Kasi, parang tradition na sa atin na dapat, pag nagbe-birthday ang bata, o yung tao sa atin, dapat may pansit or spaghetti. So, spaghetti yung lulutuin ko kasi yun yung meron ako sa bahay. Ayun na siya, naghihintay. Say hi, people!
Hi, people.
Where you going?
In a cool.
In a cool, excited na siya, oh.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Say see you guys.
See you guys!
So, yan. Punta tayo sa school. Alas 3 pa kasi wala pa naman. Ano pa lang naman, 2:50. So, yung labas nila, 3:15. So, sabi ng teacher, before 3:15 daw punta ako para mag-sing ng happy birthday kay Sak. So, tingnan natin, ha? Kung may isasama ko kayo. Pag hindi, picture na lang. Okay, bye! Bye! Yan yung in-order ko sa tissue niya. Ang cute. 35 pieces or 30 pieces yung in-order ko sa kanya. Ayan. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Hi, Jane. Yes. Zach, Skylar, I'm pretty sure it's Zach's birthday. I would like you to go to the end of the line and you can wait your turn. So, Zach, would you like to grab one?
Thank you, Zach.
Good. So glad we remembered our manners. You can use it when you get home. You can put it down. That's fine. That's a good sitting down. One for you.
Holsa! Holly! Give one for Holly! Say thank you!
Mom, where's one of them?
It's in the car. Si Kuya nagsistress. Wala raw siya. Sabi ko, meron siya sa car. It's in the car. Papa, why you're not eating yours? Yes? Gusto na mag-cake. Baba, here. Okay. Go cake. Okay, just one cake each, okay? Okay, come on. That's it. Okay, come on. Let's go. Ayan, bahay na kami. And eto pala guys yung in-order kong cake pops na Spider-Man. 35 pieces yung in-order ko. Kasi yung 30 sa school ni Sak, ipamimigay niya sa school. And then, 5, yes.
Thanks for surprising me, and thanks for the cake, and I love you.
Yeah? Were you surprised?
Yes.
May sinasabi ako, ayan, 35 pieces yung in-order ko nga. Yung 30 sa classmate niya.
Keep this bowl.
Yeah, I will keep this bowl. This is nice. Ayan, no, maganda siya kasi pwede kong magamit. Yeah, pwede kong magamit yung bowl Sa sabaw-sabaw. Yan eh.
Cooking sugar.
Yeah, cooking sugar. Gagamitin ko kasi madaming asukal, oh. Madaming asukal siyang linagay, oh. Ilagay natin yan sa ating pagluluto. Kasi malinis naman yan. Sayang kung itapon. So, yan ang ganda, oh. Yung 5 sa bahay, yun, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko sa inyo. Basta, 7 siya. Dapat 5 lang yung sa bahay. Siguro may absent dun sa school. Kaya, binigay niya 7. Kasi 35 pieces yan. $3.25 or $3.50 each. Basta, ang binayaran ko sa kanya for 35 pieces is 90 something. Or, hindi ko alam, $2.50 or $3.50. Basta, ayan. And, yung dalawa, ayun na. And Holly! Look at Holly! Binubuksan na nila yung bigay ni, who gave you this? Tita?
Lovely.
Tita Lovely. Say thank you, Tita Lovely.
Tita Lovely.
Ayan. And Tito Mark. Bumili siya ng extra cars. Be careful ha, your mess ha. Holly! Look at Holly. Let me see your face. Let me see your face, Baba. Come here. Kumain kasi siya nung cake pop ko. Oh, careful ha. You know how to do that?
Yep, we're gonna...
Go look at the picture. Don't wreck the box.
Look, is it instructions?
Yeah, there's instructions there. Let Daddy help you later. Give me the sticker, please. Oh, ay, tap for Mama.
You do that tickles.
Yeah, this is all the stickers. Ayan.
Double.
Okay. Help each other, okay? Mommy will cook, okay?
Mom.
Ito na pala yung ating crispy pata, guys. And magluluto ako ng spaghetti. And bumili ako ng spaghetti. Hindi ito yung spaghetti noodles na gusto ko. Kasi ito lang yung available dun sa general store. And nandun rin kasi yung post office dun kung saan ko ito binili. So, ayan. May package ako galing sa Japan. Galing Japan to. Asan na yung ano? Ayan, galing tong Japan na package. Yung mga, alam nyo na to guys. Ayan. Ayan, ang gagandahan talaga ako dito. Oh. Masarap din talaga siya. So, magluto na muna ako ng spaghetti, guys. Well, say sorry.
Sorry.
What happened? Let me see.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know she was there.
Well, you have to be careful. And
I
you...
wasn't listening much.
Okay, you have to...
This one or that one?
Of course, this way. That one, yes. Okay, no fighting, okay? Mommy's gonna cook spaghetti, okay?
Oh, spaghetti.
Yes, okay?
Is that for my...
Filipino spaghetti.
My birthday, I'll be in the dark.
No, today's your birthday.
Oh, my birthday in the dark, but it was always been.
Alright, gusto niyo daw ang birthday niya sa paggabi na. Okay. Ayan, nabuksan ko na yung box galing sa Japan kasi gusto kong kunin tong chocolate. Gusto rin ni Jan yung mga chocolates na nakukuha ko sa mga package na galing sa Japan. Yan yung mga in-order ko sa Japan na mga second hand or pre-love bags or any luxury branded. Ito na muna ako ng spaghetti, guys. Ayan, tapos na sila mag-assemble ng, what do you call this? Garage?
Parking garage.
Parking garage. So, ayan. Let me see. Wow. No, I don't, Baba.
Olive.
Okay, don't. Oh! Tara. Baba, come on in the kitchen. Come on. Tulungan mo si Mami magluto. Come on. Hindi pa ako tapos. Well, wait for Daddy. Wala pa si Jan. Kasi nag-charter si Jan. And, ang sabi niya, nakakuha raw siya ng blue eye. Masarap yung guys. Wala siyang lansa as in. Masarap siya. So, hintayin ko lang. Ayan, iniinit ko yung hindi iniinit. Pinaliktad ko yung crispy pata. Yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo, yung kabila. So, ayan. And, nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig. And, nagluto ako yung basmati rice na Indian. Yung pinabili ko kay Pompal. Thanks, Pompal. Ayan na siya. So, ayan yung aming dinner ngayong birthday ni Saksak. Happy birthday, Sak! Alam niyo ba to guys? Nung birthday ko pa to, ito yung regalo sa akin ni Jan at ng mga bata. Hindi ko pa nagagamit. Ano yan? Kailangan natin kailangan may 2 oras ako or 1 hour at least or 1 hour and a half time para gamit ko to. Kasi sa spa to guys eh. Ayun. Sabi niya, mag-relax daw tayo. Pero paano tayo magre-relax eh? Walang magbabantay ng mga bata. Busy pa kasi siya, kaya hindi ko pa yan na pupuntahan. So, ayan, nagpapakulo ako ng tubig. And, yeah. Mamaya na lang ulit. Andito si Pa. Wow! You got cash! You got cash from Pa. Secret, kuya. Last time you had yours? Yes. Wow! What you guys say to Pa? Thank you. Dito si Mom and Dad. Dinala nila yung LBC box para sa package. Balikbayan ba sa Philippines? Ayun. Ang yabang niya naman ng isa. Look at me. Okay, happy birthday, Zachary! Happy birthday, Zachary! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday! Zach! Blow the candle, Zach! No candle, Zach!
Sukal.
Sukal!
Oh, yeah. What other?
At cake pop!
Yeah.
That's sugar.
Yeah, so-
Now you get sick.
Zach!
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my.
Dito na si Jan.
Dad, it's Steve.
The Spider-Man.
Give me a kiss.
Dad.
Ayan na, luto na siya. Ngayon naman, niluluto ko yung meatballs.
Dad.
Kasi maglagay akong konting meatballs sa spaghetti. Pero may
Where is
ano
it?
ko. Ayun, Han. Oh.
Where's the
Well,
bags and all that?
Here. Pinapakuha ni Jan yung fry back. Wait. Ito yung sauce na gagamitin ko sa ating spaghetti. Ayan, si Del Monte. Ko muna yung linuluto ko kasi si Jan, binabalot niya na yung isda na nahuli niya. Kasi may bisita siya. Nandito yung kaibigan niya. Nahiya. Wait lang. Hi, Logan.
G'day, how are you?
Good. Ayan. Na-fillet na siya,
I
guys.
need to start, grab that over there, mate. That red towel, please.
That back here's the shit.
Ayan yung ulo ng blue eye. Yeah.
Sitting on there.
So, ayan. First time kasi namin gamitin yan.
Mom, look, bringing.
Something like that.
Yeah, I'll just keep it just back enough. So it
Yes,
can go up.
Baba.
That's all it says,
Thank
isn't it?
you.
That should hold.
Thank you.
That pretty good?
Ano kasi, Baby V? Thank you.
So it should click in. There you go.
That's too much, hon.
Oh, it's not, baby. I'll hold it. Then
Yeah.
start.
Oh, yeah.
Try ulit kasi kinat nila yung... Yan.
Like that, you reckon?
Yeah, try. Just try
Oh,
now.
go down in that thing, I don't know.
Just
Can't,
try.
it's not
No,
gonna
just
start.
try that
Curl
one.
down into chamber. Curl it down into that white thing. Somehow that must
Yeah.
be so.
Nagpo-foodie yung dalawa doon, oh.
That light should turn to amber once it's. Yep. Alright.
Press.
Oh, low.
See, told you. Ayan na, na-vacuum na, guys.
Must just seal it.
Kasi, ayan, oh, tinanggalan nito. Kasi ang haba niya
That'd be
kanina.
going on the line.
But we read somewhere go on the line.
Yeah,
didn't
that's
we?
right.
That's just when you're sealing the end of your bag.
Ew, bumalik sila, ma'am. Kasi kukuha din siya ng isda.
That's nice. I dag
No, sa sabaw, no, ma'am. Kasi
That's
hindi
what
niya
come
kinuha
with it.
lahat.
sa din gidaw eh.
11. Pero iba-iba yun, ma'am, na. Alam niyo ba kung anong isda to? Hindi raw to pala ulo ng blue eye. Ba? Pero parang siyang ano, yung orange ang kulay niya. Ayan, dalawa. And ayun, ang dami nito. Oh. 11 pieces daw yung nakuha nilang blue eye. Pa! Sabi niya, yak daw, yak. Kasi, syempre, malansa. Baba!
Yak.
Sucks it out, but it
Kumuha rin siya ng upuan niya. Oh.
doesn't.
Are you gonna sit next to Daddy? Okay. Baba, you have to... Ayan, luto na yung ating spaghetti para sa birthday ni Sak. So, ito yung handa ni Sak, spaghetti. May ano to, may giniling na tong beef. Tapos, naglagay lang ako ng yung nabili ko sa IKEA na meatballs. So, ayan. And, crispy pata. So, ayan, okay na ang birthday ni Sak. And, si Jan, tsaka yung friend yan, doon pa rin. Binabalot nila yung isda. Pinuntan yung dinghy kasi tinignan. What color, Dad?
And a big plastic bag close.
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
Kasi tinignan ni Ma'am sa dinghy ba kung anong kulay ng ulo ng blue eye. So, kailangan ni Ma'am ng couple bags. Oh, give it to Nana. Ito pa. That's for Pa. This one, 2 bags for Pa. Thank you. What color, Dad? Is it good?
They're big.
They're big. Okay, tingnan nga natin. Punta tayo dun sa dinghy. Oh, stay here, Holly, because that's yucky there. Stay here. Tingnan natin yung ulo. Mga ulo ng isda. Ayan yung dalawa. Nakita nyo na yan. Punta tayo sa labas. Madilim dito, guys. Ayan sila. Alin? Ayan, ma'am. 2 bag yan. Patingin.
Oh, tingnan mo naman, oh.
Can I have here, Dad? Patingin, ma'am. Let me see, Dad. Ayan yung mga ulo ng isda. Hala. Ang dami pala niyan, ma'am. Paano natin yan ikakat?
Oo nga, kakat natin. Ito pa, ikakat ko. Bibigay ko kasi ito kay kay Jinky.
Ayan, oh, ang dami, guys, oh.
Yan.
Ano ba yan sa atin? Dito, blue eye ang tawag dyan.
Masarap yan.
Ilang pieces ba ito, ma'am?
Marami, oh.
So, I need more bags, Dad. We need more bags.
Well, Tom's gonna. Well, once we get these.
Butit ka, magtumawag si Jan. Alam mo ba, ma'am? Itatapon niya. Sabi ko, bring all the heads.
Ito. Ito lang. Ibibigay ko kay
Kanina mo
Love, do you have more?
What?
Plastic bag? I'll get more bags.
Kasi
Here, Dad. Kuha tayo ng bags. Kanina si Jan, ayaw niya na talang dalhin yung kasi nga marami pang gagawin doon kasi ikakat niya pa, madilim na, kaya sabi, itatapon niya na sana yun. Sabi ko, hindi, dalhin mo. Pero hindi ako maglilinis, siya pa yung maglilinis nun. Kumuha ko ng bag kasi parang kulang yun. Ayan. Auntie Mel, see ya? Happy birthday, Zachary! Andito si Auntie Mel. See ya, love!
What do you want?
Hi, Mel.
Do you want the bin out?
Yes. Ay, mama. Si ma'am na
What are
nag-ano.
you gonna do then? Yeah,
Yeah. Where's the torch, Dad?
Hi.
Ayan. Itatapon ni Jan yung iba. Ayan, Dad, oh.
Dalawa gusto mo?
Isda. Maliit, ma'am.
Ito, maliit, oh. Ito, masarap to.
Ano kayang lasa niya, no?
Masarap! Basta anuhin mo, ayan, oh. Anuhin mo yan, sigang mo.
Ay.
The other one in there too.
Dalawa, tingnan ko, ma'am.
Here.
Lalaki, guys. Oh, patingin ng malaki, ma'am.
Hold one
Tingnan
up.
mo. Oh my God. Tingnan mo. Lukal mo. Blue eye. Ano ba yan sa atin?
Blue eyes, masarap ito.
Ano yan sa atin, guys?
Hindi ko alam to kung ano to sa atin. Pero ano ito, hindi to malangsa.
Hindi nga malangsa yung ano eh.
Masarap ito, Cho. Isigang mo. Ito pa nga eh. You got
Ayan, oh.
another one?
Plastic,
I'll cook it tomorrow.
You won't be here tomorrow.
Yeah, but I'll cook it tomorrow.
Ayan oh, ang dami. Si ma'am, ayun, ipamimigay niya yan sa mga kaibigan niyang Pilipina. Tigda 2. 3 plastic yun. Kasi ano yun naman namin yan.
Tapon.
Dami. Si John, buti ka mo ma'am, tumawag siya. Nakita ko, sabi ko, dalhin mo yung mga ulo. Kasi hindi dinadala ni John ang mga ulo. Ha?
Tuna.
What you got?
And I wanna cook it tomorrow.
What's this? This one's for Chona.
Yeah, that one for...
Ha? What you got from Auntie Mel? Socks? Shorts?
Singlet.
Singlet.
And a football.
Oh, lucky. Ayan yung regalo ng Tita Mel niya.
I've got Janice here.
Okay na. Yan na, tapos niya na i-vacuum yung mga isda. Ito yung mga blue eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ang dami, oh. Ang sarap nito, guys. Ang dami pang ulo doon. Hindi na namin yun mauubos. Ibabalik niya yun sa ocean. Gawin niyang pain. Bago siyang trick dito sa aking ano, oh. Dito sa akin sa suspension ba? You're funny. Yan yung cord kanina para dito para gumana siya. And ayan na, napakita ko na yan sa inyo. Ito yung isda, hindi ko alam yung pangalan nito. Ito yung ulo nun. Tapos ito yung blue eye, ito dalawa lang yung kinuha ko. Marami pa nito sa doon sa dinghy, yung kanina yung kumukuha rin si ma'am, marami pa nito doon. Ang lalaki pa ng ulo, as in, ang lalaki. Tapos ito nagiging crazy. Careful! Careful! Is your kilikili hurt?
I did that.
No, not careful. There's no mat here.
Just, yeah, just, Gumtree, all that. Just look up, they'll come up.
Oh, and Gumtree as well, too.
What are they, right?
What's that? It's bushy.
No! Knock your other arm.
Put this arm in.
Road track.
Sino nagtuin? Yeah, I don't know who taught. Sino nagturo niya sa iyo? Look at me. Say hi, people. Say hi, people. Dali. Are you dizzy? Do the other one. The other one. May ginagawa siya before bago yan eh. Wow!
Go across. Nice slim ones, you know.
That's enough na, Baba. You're gonna feel dizzy. And your arms, look at your arms.
Just those ones that sit in the bed.
That's new. Bago lang yan. Ngayon niya pa lang yan nasuot. Tingnan mo, ang dumi-dumi niya na. Huh?
But that's on this.
I took them off.
Ayan, kaalis lang ng Tita Mel nila, tsaka si Ma'am kanina pa, tsaka si Dad. So, ayan, si Kuya kumakain na, and si Holly andun mag-isa, si Jan nasa labas pa. And si Zach gusto niya pa ng meatballs.
And Mom,
Yes.
how's this also?
Yes, of course, that's your cake. And si Jan, Yeah, okay, don't worry about my fish. Yeah, put it in the freezer. Yes, please, thank you. That one, I'll cook that tomorrow. Yung ulo ba ng isda?
More spaghetti, please.
Oh, more spaghetti. Oh, si Kuya maki-spaghetti talaga to. Oh. Doon kila Rice, lagi rin siya nakakadalawang plato ng spaghetti. Do you want meatballs too, Kuya? Or just spaghetti?
Just one.
Just one, manners.
Was
Ayan. Oh. And, yung, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, maraming ulo. Si Jan, ayaw niyang dali ng ulo kasi pa nag-fishing siya, hindi talaga siya nagtatouch ng fish. Yung isa niya, yung crew niya, or yung kaibigan niya, kung sinong sumasama sa kanya, yun ang naglilinis ng isda. Hindi siya, kasi siya lang yung nagdadrive ng boat. Kaya ayaw niya daw dalhin ng isda dito kasi daw siya yung maglilinis. So sabi niya, hindi niya raw yung lilinisin lahat. So kumuha lang ako ng dalawa, nakita niyo naman, dalawang malit lang ng ulo ng tawag noon, blue eyes, tapos yung dalawang malit na kulay orange. Pero ang dami pa dun sa ano talaga, guys. Ang dami pa dun sa ano, sa dun sa bin. Not bin. Basta dun sa pinakita ko sa inyo dun sa dinghy. Ang dami pa. Kasi ilan kaya nahuli? Tanungin ko si Jan. Okay, ilagay ko na lang po ilan. Basta marami yung nahuli nila. And, ayan, crispy pata. Crispy pata for rice. Si Holly, ayun baba. Pinalitan ko siya ng damit. Kasi baka madumihan yun. Say hi, people. Say I'm eating.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby,
What are you eating?
This.
What's the spaghetti? So, yun na guys yung vlog natin for today.
Mom, is Kobe coming in?
No, we're going to their house because Kylie said they have something for you. Punta kami doon kila. Hindi ko pa alam kung, I don't know when, but we're going to their house one day. Okay? Yun na guys yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Happy birthday, Sak! Happy birthday, Sak!
Thank you.
Thank you. Say good night.
Good night.
Baba, say good night. Oh, flying kiss. Okay, good night, guys. Kain na kami. Hintay ko lang si John. Yes?
Have cake with my birthday.
Huh?
Have cake with my birthday.
Can you what?
2.
2. You already had one this afternoon at school.
3.
Alright. Yung tupiin ko, bukas ko na yan tutupin. At saka yung LBC box, dalawa yan. So, para sa package. For mama and papa. Balik ba yung box? So, yun na guys. Thank you. We're gonna put some stuff there for them. Okay, thank you. Bye!
Bye. Nana.
Papa and mama. Say bye-bye na sa...
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, Papa.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. Ayan, yung crispy pata natin. Oh.
What
Ayan.
is that?
Crispy pata.
Hi, David. Baby.
Queenie.
Finish.
Lorenzo.
Rental.
Edna.
Edgar.
Tukong.
Tuko.
Honey.
Honey.
Jessa.
Dessa.
Abapo.
Abanko.
Hannah.
Hannah.
Alcantara.
Atakawa.
Marisa.
Misa.
Seva.
Silva. Say bye. Mwah.
Diba kagabi nag-fishing din siya kahapon? So, si Sak, sinukatan siya. So, ayan, nakuha na after. Woo! It's great! Speed stick. Yan, ang kapal pa rin ng meat, diba? So, ayan kasi nga, natatakot din ako. Baka masugatan. Ako pa masisi.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause